Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song called The Wicked Game, written and performed by Isaak. Released as a single in 1990, this song took some time to become a hit for Chris. After almost a year of radio play and being featured in one of David Lynch's movies called Wild at Heart, it finally peaked at number 6 on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, this particular song has 3 chords in it. Let's have a look at them now. First chord is a B minor bar chord. There's an A major. There's an E major. Let's have a look again. Bar chord, B minor bar chord. A major. And an E major. That's it. Those 3 chords repeated through the entire song. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming to this great hit. Okay, this particular song has a very nice, easy strum to it, there are a bunch of little nuances that are in the original version of the song, some of which I incorporate into my cover as well. You may wish to do that as well. If not, it's just simply strumming the 3 chords certainly gets the point across. It starts on the B minor bar chord. Let's have a look now. B minor to the A major and then to the E major. Now you may have heard these little nuances that I'm talking about when I strum the A major and the E major chord. Essentially what I'm doing on the A major is I'm kind of going between the A major and an A sus2. I'm doing the same on the E major chord, going from an E major to an E sus4. Sounds like this. So when you're playing it sounds just like this. Here we go. We're going to go and start again from the B minor bar chord. Very subtle. I think it adds a little something to the song. If you choose to use it or not, that's completely up to you. Again, you can strum all 3 chords without doing these little changes to them, and certainly it'll work for you. Let's quickly have a look at the arpeggio style picking that they do in the song as well. Okay, so they do a little bit of arpeggio style picking for the chords in this song. And it happens right after the chorus before they go back into the verse. For those of you that don't know what that means, here's a very simple explanation. Essentially what that means is that in the chord formation, you're going to hit every string or every note of that chord individually, as opposed to strumming it. Let's use an E major as an example. An E major strumming a chord sounds like this. But when you do this style of picking, it's basically this. And that's it. That's really all it is. They do that again in this particular song. Let's have a look at how they do it in the chords that they're doing it with. Basically starts on the B minor bar chord. And that's it. That's it. takes a little bit of practice. If you're a beginner, I wouldn't recommend it right off the bat, especially because there's so much going on in the song already. Just get the chords down and the strumming down first of all. Then maybe later on you can tackle this arpeggio style picking. Okay, so now we're going to mic it up. I'm going to call on a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. No, I don't want to fall in love. No, I don't want to fall in love with you. With you. Wicked game to play to make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do. What a wicked thing to say. Never felt this way. What a wicked thing to do to make me dream of you. And I want to fall in love. No, I want to fall in love with you. With you. with you. With you. And there you have it, Wicked Game, written and performed by Chris Isaak. Thank you for tuning into my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like the videos that I do, please hit the subscribe button. I really, truly appreciate it. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.